that 6 will summon it already. So it's a fully amphibious.
This one's not.
Well, you just have to be a little careful when loading this.
It hasn't got its swimming gear.
It hasn't got its swimming gear.
No, the army took it all out. We've got it, I just haven't had a chance to put it in yet. If you look at the back, there's all the holes where it should be.
Yeah, I think I don't look at it.
Yeah.
This looks to be the example Mark 1. You can tell that because there's a lack of a plate just beneath the windscreen to help put splash coming up the windscreen, and also the front windscreen free of slight separate with major examples. So this is going for around about 93% onwards. And another interesting characteristic, the exhaust you can see on the, driver's side of it, it's more or less a central driving position for the car, so driver's side, but on the right hand side, so you've got 500 gallon petrol sat in a refueling pod on the rear deck area, and then you've got a red hot glowing exhaust pipe. That's ideal. Nonetheless, very, very successful, very well regarded vehicle. We're much about the prices of fuel these days, don't we?
You like I say, literally was the last minute thing. I was driving through Cape, I don't know what time
If you
it
get
was.
more than around about 3.5 miles per gallon, well, it's done very, very well. They don't test for too far. So very, very nice to see one here in Korea. And there is an example as well.
Yeah, just got the sides and underneath.
Take that now,
I mean, look at the wheel.
Share it.